to watch this video, you are agreeing to relieve United Taps and its staff of any liability for injuries or damages caused by watching or attempting any of the movements presented in this video. If you do not agree to this, please discontinue watching this video now. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com, and you're about to watch and learn an intermediate advanced tap combination to the song Sunshine by Modest Yahoo. Before we start, don't forget to click on the link to our premium intermediate advanced package below. It has a ton of content for you. It's got lessons, choreography, a dictionary, across the floor, practice exercises, all kinds of fun, cool stuff, a workout video, all kinds of fun stuff to keep you tap dancing. All right, let's take a look at the combinations. Alright, here we go. Let's jump in and learn this. Starting with the right foot, you have scuffle, ball change, scuff, dig, toe. 7, 8, scuffle, ball change, scuff, dig, toe, spank, step, stamp, stamp. Alright, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, clap on 8. I'll do that again. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, spank, step, heel, spank, step, heel, spank, step, heel, spank, step, heel, stamp, stamp. The right foot is doing a spank step, but the left foot's doing a heel, and we're turning over the right shoulder. 6, turn, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Now, if that's a little easy and you want to spice it up, here's what you can do. You can do spank, toe, heel, spank, dig, heel, spank, toe, heel, spank, dig, heel, stamp, stamp. I'll show that fancy version again. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. I'll keep it normal for now, but if you get bored, go ahead and spice it up with that. Let's go top. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. From here, shuffle, ball, change, step, step, shuffle, ball, change, step, step. I'll do that again. 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Again, if you want to spice that up, you can do shuffle, toe, change, step, step, shuffle, big change, step, step. I'll show that again. Shuffle, toe, change, step, step, shuffle, big change, step, step. I'll keep it normal. And to finish it out, step, toe, heel, toe, step, step, toe, heel, toe, step, stamp, stamp. I'll do that again. That's step, toe, heel, toe, step, step, toe, heel, toe, step, stamp, stamp. One more time. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's rewind to the shuffle, ball, change, step, step, shuffle, ball, change, step, step, and do that going into step, toe, heel, toe, step, step, toe, heel, toe, step, stamp, stamp. Cool. Shuffle, ball, change. Right foot leading. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. I'm going to do that again. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. Well, super. You made it all the way through this. Take it from top. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. Why, yes, we'll do it again. You bet. Here we go. Same thing. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. Let's roll it with music. Again, the song is Sunshine by Modest Yahoo, and we're starting at 9 seconds into the song. I think we're going to slow it down a little bit, though. Let me check the tempo. Yeah, so let's start about 10% under, and we will work our way up to real speed. Here we go. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, we'll do it again. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. boost it a little bit. We'll go about halfway over to -5%. Enough to notice, but hopefully not enough to throw you completely off. Here we go, -5%. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, we'll do it again. Here we go, same speed. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, it's time. Real speed. Here we go. Real deal, you can do this. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna try fancy just to see what happens. It might be dicey. All right, here we go. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. I made it. It was a little rough, but okay. One more time, just normal. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. I'm going to do it one more time facing the camera. You're not expected to do it with me. This is just so you can see what it looks like from the front if all goes well. Alright, thank you all so much for tapping with me. I hope you had a great time with that combination. Don't forget UnitedTaps.com and that link below. That'll take you to our premium, intermediate, advanced package. Has a ton of content. Like I said, it's got lessons, a workout, across the floor, a dictionary, practice exercises, choreography. I mean, it's a ton of content. Keep you tapping, keep you having fun, keep your body in shape and your mind sharp. And you can find that all at UnitedTaps.com. I, of course, am Howell from UnitedTaps.com, making you happier and healthier through tap dance.